This question I've chosen just to demonstrate how we use the limits, and obviously it looks a bit scary. We've got some trig, we've got some pi by whatevers. Let's see what happens. So our integration isn't actually as scary as it looks. This is the angle. The angle doesn't change, but when we integrate, we divide by the differential. So cos integrates to sine. The angle doesn't change. Divide by the differential, and if you differentiate this, you just get a 2 because the pi by 6 is just a number. So there we go. That's the integration. We also have to do some limits, so we've got to do that next. Okay, so we'll put our top limit in, so we get sine of 2 lots of pi by 2, which is pi. Take away sine of 2 lots of pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. Like that. Okay, so work out what you've got in the bracket first. You know, you can absolutely do that on the calculator if you're not confident with fractions. Basically, this is 1 minus a sixth, which is 5/6. And then we've got 2/3 minus a sixth, and that would be 4/6. Take away 1/6, which is 3/6, which is a half. So that would be pi over 2. But absolutely, you can just literally type it in exactly as you see it, and we'll tell you pi by 2. So on your calculator, if you don't know these off the top of your head, which nobody's expecting you to anymore, okay, make sure you're in radians mode. So turn your calculator into radians, because we're going to be pressing, we're going to be pressing sine of angles which are radians. So make sure you've got your R on your screen. Okay, let's just see what we get then. So sine of 5 pi over 6 is a half, and then a half divided by 2. You can obviously just do that straight away on the calculator. That would give you a quarter. Let's have a look at this one. Sine of pi by 2, you might know this one anyway, because pi by 2 is equivalent is 90, and sine 90, maybe you know, is 1. So that's a 1 over a 2. So we get a quarter minus a half, and a quarter minus a half is minus a quarter. And there we are. We found it in the form minus a over b, and that looks fine. Okay, remember you can also, a little bit of a cheat, well, it's not really, is it? The calculator has it. So we can check our integration, okay, and we could type this in exactly as it looks. Okay, so 2x minus pi over 6. Still losing where things are on this calculator. There we are. Use your arrows to put the top limits in. Pi over 2, you can use the fraction or you can use the division button, it doesn't matter. And then fingers crossed, there we are, minus a quarter. Lovely.